You are warmly and highly welcome to our eBrain Refinery YouTube channel. This is your one-stop YouTube channel for all senior secondary mathematics preparatory courses that will launch you into any senior secondary mathematics examinations, including WAEC, GCE, and JAM. The purpose of this video is to ensure that you have the required foundation, or if you like, the prerequisites for senior secondary mathematics courses. So we are going to do a review of your junior secondary mathematics topics, which you must have covered during the course of your junior secondary mathematics courses. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video. To get started, let's start with a review of some of the topics, the key topics you must have come across in your junior secondary mathematics. We are going to start from numbers and numeration, algebra, trigonometry, statistics, and geometry. Well, you know that mathematics topics are quite numerous and voluminous. So we are not going to be able to take all the topics in this particular video. We are going to have a series of videos. Let's start with numbers and numeration. We will start by solving questions involving numbers and numeration. And please pay rapt attention because most of these questions are WAEC and JAM standard questions. So here we are. We are trying to evaluate 3,524 divided by 0.05. The answer should be correct to 3 significant figures. You know a calculator can easily give you this, but we want to solve it manually. So what we are going to do is not difficult. Let's start by trying to, take this denominator to a whole number. If, for instance, I multiply by 100, I'm going to get 5. So whatever I do to the denominator, let me also do it to the numerator. So let's start. This will be equal to 3,524 multiplied by 100 all over 0.05 also multiplied by what? 100. And this is equal to, when you multiply any number by 100, of course, all you have to do is move 2 places of decimal to the right. So let me do that. 3,524. My decimal place must have been here. So I move like this, I move again like this. I have 2 zeros here. All over 0.05 multiplied by 100, I just move 2 places of decimal, and that will also give me a whole number 5. So I have essentially 3,524,00 all over what? 5. What can go here? 5 into 5 is 1. 5 into 35 is going to give you 7. Into 2 will not go, so I have 0. Into 24 will give me 4. Remaining 4. Into 40 will give me 8. Into the remaining 0 will give me 0. So my answer essentially is 70480. But I want to bring it to 3 significant figures, because essentially what I have here is 4 or 5 significant figures. So let's continue from the top because of space. So what I have essentially is that 70,480. I want to convert this to 3 significant figures. 8 is more than 5. Add it to this place. I'm going to have 705. The remaining numbers will be 00. So it's just like saying that I'm converting 480 to, if you like, 1 significant figure, which will give me 500. So I have the total answer to be 70,500. My 7, my 0, my 5 are all significant. So 70,500 to 3 significant figures. What have we simply done? We have just applied a very simple principle of simplification. Our denominator, if you notice, was 0.05. It looked clumsy. It's a decimal. So I wanted to change it to a whole number, which I did. And what did we do? We multiplied our denominator by 100. And Once we can also effect that on the numerator by also multiplying whatever we have in the numerator by 100, it didn't change the value of whatever we are doing. So that is the basic principle we used, converting to whole number so that we can deal with the figures easier. We have just solved one question out of numerous. In our next video, we will also solve another standard question, which may be WAEC or JAMB, standard as the case may be, still on numbers and numeration. I also encourage you to practice these kind of questions regularly so that it will become a part of you. Please do well to drop any question or challenges you may have in the comment section below. I will answer you immediately. So as a way to say thank you, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kindly like this video. I will see you in the next video where we will solve another standard JAMB or WAEC question.